most rewarding part of my job. Helping the customer, treating my customers fairly. I'm selling my relationship with the customer. And if they can depend on you and know if their machine goes down, you're going to be there no matter what time of day or night, that's a huge selling point. My name is Josh Davis. I am a field tech for Luby equipment. I've been with the company going on 4 years. So I've been a mechanic for 25 years. I went to college and got an associate degree in automotive technology. What I've learned over my career is whether it's automotive, motorcycles, agriculture, construction, it's all the same thing. An engine is an engine. They all communicate and run the same way. Hydraulics is hydraulics, and electrical is electrical. It is all the same. The systems are a little different, and there's a learning curve for figuring that out, but it's all the same. Everything runs the same. The biggest difference between being a shop tech and a field tech, a field tech pretty much runs his own show as far as dealing with the customers, planning your day, dealing with logistics, dealing with parts, making sure everything is moving, setting it up for the next day. It's a little more intense. My favorite part working with Luby is the same reason I came to Luby equipment. It is one of the last places that still has a family atmosphere. I'm not a number. I am Josh Davis. And Steve Luby knows I am Josh Davis. That's exactly why I came to Luby.